Today I'm going to show you how to solve this problem. It said, Mr. Nicole is selling t-shirts. She sold 4 large t-shirts at $8 each. She sold 6 small t-shirts at $6 each. Now pay attention to the each. How much money does Mr. Nicole make? Now, first you need to do 4 times 8. I'm going to show you that right now. Like this. So you need four boxes with 8. Like that. So then you can skip count. 8, 16, 24, 32. Your answer for the first part. Next is the small shirts. Like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Now you need to. And now it's $6 each. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 32 plus 36. 2 plus 6 is 8, and 3 plus 3 is 6. Now you got your answer, $68.